Hey, this is Soomin Kim, your Austin real estate agent, and today I am here in the beautiful city of Lakeway in the very popular and desirable community of Rough Hollow. We're down a little bit closer to the lake in a different section of Rough Hollow, and we are going to be looking at the Newmark model home. Now, this is a builder that many of you have been asking about. You've seen it pop up in different communities, and you said, you know what, Soomin, you've never done a Newmark home. Well, today's your day. All you Newmark fans out there are going to be able to see a beautiful example of what Newmark is doing. Behind me is the beautiful Ladybird floor plan. I think you're gonna love it. If you haven't come to my channel, welcome. My name is Soomin Kim. I'm an Austin real estate agent, and I'm here to help you with all things Austin. You know, whether it be looking for a new home, resale home, you're looking to move, list, whatever that is for you, I want to be a resource for you. It really makes sense of all the madness that's happening in the real estate market, especially here in Austin. So before you do anything else, make sure you like this video, subscribe, hit the notification bell, because I am putting out content upon content. But today is going to be a beautiful example of what a model home here looks like in Lakeway in the Rough Hollow community with Newmark. So without further ado, let's take a look. We come upon the Ladybird plan by Newmark Homes. We're looking at 3,569 square feet, 5 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms. It's even got a balcony patio. There's a lot that goes into this home. It's very complete, but look at the elevation. We're looking at squares, rectangles, vertical, horizontal, but all things modern. Look at those straight lines. You can almost see how the door is mimicking that top foyer of the entrance. We have the beautiful white stone, white stucco. We have the contrasting dark brown elements and accents. Newmark's really hit it out of the park on this particular floor plan. I think it really fits well. You'll find here in the Rough Hollow community in this area, a little bit more contemporary designs, but hey, it's a beauty. Enjoy. All right, so there you have it. That is the Ladybird floor plan by Newmark. Now, whether it's Newmark, this builder, this community, this area, I'm here to help you. Obviously, Newmark has a beautiful model home here, and this is one that you've been asking about. A lot of you have been hearing about this builder in different communities. They just want to get an example of what they do. And I have a great relationship with Newmark. It's all about who you know and the contacts that you have. So if you're interested in Newmark here or any other community, definitely reach out. But even if it's another builder, I have contacts everywhere. So as always, what I want to do is put my contact information right up there. Do not hesitate, whether you text me, call me, DM me on social media, WhatsApp, email me, it does not matter. I am here to serve you here in the Austin marketplace. Now, with that being said, if you haven't already, as I mentioned, make sure you like and subscribe, because I'm going to be putting out content of all different builder communities. And right now the market is crazy. So let me make sense of it all for you. Do not try to do this by yourself. Don't try this at home, because it's going to take you for a whirlwind from websites and different content and information everywhere. I'm here to make sense of all of that for you. So don't hesitate to reach out. And you know what? We're building a great community. I love what we are doing here. We've had so many successful people making their way, moving up, moving parallel, moving all over, transformations and stories, and clients that have become friends. So I'm so appreciative of what's happening. 2022 definitely has not slowed down. So let me help you. So with that being said, I will see all of you on the next video.